let's see how to adjust page margins in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, as you'll notice, Microsoft Word keeps margins around your document, which makes it easy to print. However, if we want to adjust the margins within our document, we can simply head on over to the Layout tab. Now, here under Page Setup, you'll see different options that you have to change your document's margins, orientation, size, and if you want to put your text in columns. So let's go ahead and set our margins. Now you'll see that Microsoft Word has a lot of different presets. However, you can also set your custom margins by clicking this at the bottom. And right here, you'll see a window that will open the entire page setup where you can set your margins, your orientation, as well as the layout of your paper. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.